So without further ado, let's have this and welcome you D. Woo! This is from the Gundam G Quacks, and this is called MS-06-SSP Police Zaku. Now Zakus are police. But they're very nice and very new design, man. It's very, very authentic and very different design. Some builders and some other Gundam enthusiasts doesn't like this, but yeah, even the Gundam G-Quacks that we have right here, there's so many questions about it. But for me, it's really like a refreshing kind of it's weird, it's refreshing for those persons who have been burned out to building the same units. Yeah, same faceplate, same like that, and some gimmicks are the same. But having those and having this one, Police Zaku, it will be a great watch out for all those burnout. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, that's the unit. That will be the outcome of our Police Zaku if you already built it. So it has its gun, which is a little bit different, man. It's not just a little different, it's very different. But still, those magazine are those the top of the gun. I don't know if they're using a beam unit or physical kind of ammos. Yeah. And here's the front and the back, or the rear and the front part of our Zaku, or the Police Zaku. And this Zaku is blue. It's not the usual grand suits of Zaku, which is green. This you say the green Zakus or the Zaku 2 is a weak one. But yeah, this one is a Police Zaku. It's colored blue, and they have this something emblem maybe that they are called as a police. Yeah. I don't know. It's katakana, or it's a Japanese one, so I don't know how to read it. But you can see that. Can you see that those bowl type kind shapes on the legs? They're very nice. It's very different, which having those straight kind of limbs, legs, and the joint part is very different. Yeah, we already see that. It's very, I don't know, but yeah, there's this booster at the front. Yeah, there's a booster at the front, but still, the Zaku's main characteristics with those tubes, you still have it. The mono eye, you still have it on the front, which it's like having a gas mask. Zaku, yeah, still have it. And yeah, the axe, does it still have the axe? Yeah, still have the axe. It still have its gun.